Hey guys, welcome back. Is it bright enough? I don't know. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are in, this is Stacy Ann. A little bit more light in. Today we are in Chicago and celebrating my
Chicago.
Satai says it's what? What is it, Satai?
Chicago.
Oh, sorry. Anyways, we're here to celebrate my doctorate in nursing practice degree.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It can be said anyway from different places.
Alright.
Okay, not too much, okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Stacy Ann from the Denton family. Today we have say hi, Ramses. We have Ramses here. Hey, come Satai, come. There's Satai.
No, I'm not here.
Michaela's in the car. We'll grab her in a minute.
I'm not here.
You're not here? We are in Chicago today. We are celebrating my doctorate in nursing practice degree. Right, Ramses?
Right, Ramses?
And today I'm really excited because, you know, I just wanted to bring you guys along my journey today and share this time with you all. It feels like it was just yesterday that I started this program, with lots of excitement and just a bit of apprehension because I had no idea what I was really getting myself into. I know I've completed my master's and that took quite a bit out of me, but I still went ahead to pursue this. So yeah, what are you saying, Ramses?
Hello.
Great, I did a great job. Thank you.
Good job, Ramses.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So anyways, we're here and yeah, I'm excited. So I wanted to show you guys this dress. You're gonna see it again later. Let me show my dress.
Oh, pretty, huh? Gold.
Well, thank you. But this dress I actually wore when I graduated with my master's 4 years ago.
Wait,
4 years ago, yeah.
You what?
When I graduated with my master's.
You wear this?
Yeah, this dress. I'll show you the pictures later. Ooh, look, step out of my shoes. But anyways, I wore this dress 4 years ago when I graduated with my master's, and I just were like, you know what? Let me just wear it again. I saw it. I'm like, why don't I just wear it again and just kind of reflect and see how I look in it now versus how I look in it then. So I'll do some before and after pictures at some point. But anyways, yeah. So that's it. We'll get as much clip as we can. You know, Oral is on top of it.
No, I'm not on top of anything.
All right. Let's see what you're wearing. So Oral is actually wearing the same suit.
Look at what I'm
We planned it. She's wearing the same suit.
Look at what I'm wearing.
You look so handsome.
She forced me to wear the same suit I wore 4 years ago.
Yeah. So the same suit you wore 4 years ago.
She forced me to wear it.
Yeah, when I'm graduating with my master's. So this is the same suit he's wearing today. Except the tie. Where's your tie? I gave you your tie just now. Well, the tie's in the car? Okay. Alright, it's hot, so that's fine.
Suit.
Same suit. Is it the same shoes?
Almost.
Because I'm wearing a different shoes.
Almost the same shoes.
Like I'm wearing a different
I wear
shoes here.
Versace shoes the last time. No, this is.
Oh, what is that?
This is
Versace cousin?
No, this is where about it? How about it at Saks Fifth Avenue?
Saks, okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, you're
it's
looking handsome.
One of those Saks shoes.
Am I
You're looking handsome as ever.
Am I?
Satai, you said you're the king, right? You're the boss. You look so cute. What are you wearing? Your suspenders and your...
I'm wearing some
What is that? Your Ted Baker shirt? You and Ramses? Ramses. Ramses. Ramses is sleeping.
Oh, he even got that too.
Let's go get Michaela.
You stepped on my shoe.
Sorry, darling.
It's fine.
Michaela is just chilling in the car.
She's always doing
waiting for us. She's probably on her phone like Satai said.
She never comes out. She's always doing that. She's always be watching her phone.
Open the door and tell her to come out.
Me? Biba, can you come out, please? Mommy,
come say hi to the vlog, Michaela.
Mommy wants to go outside.
Hi, thank you, you too.
What did she say?
Come say hi to the vlog.
Hi. What did she say?
Alright, so we're gonna go inside. She said congratulations. Come, we're going inside
This is
now.
a rental car that they give
Oh
us.
yeah, this is our rental car.
Yeah.
A
That,
Volvo.
Yeah.
oh,
Not our car, a rental
Can I bring my
car.
bag?
It has a Pennsylvania plate on it. Look.
Oh, I didn't know
My
that.
bag.
I didn't
You don't need
realize
to bring
that.
your bag.
No, because like
I
it
didn't
has stuff
realize
that
that.
I'm using in it.
You're not gonna use your iPad and your computer in the graduation. So let's go.
Alright, time to go in.
look at our Volvo. So cool.
I think I have something else I wanted. Yeah, so yeah, just reflecting a little bit over the past few years, I've put countless hours into studying, research, you know, clinical practice, and a lot of writing of papers. Yes, definitely some late nights. Is it bright enough in here? Definitely some late nights, and yeah, sometimes when I feel like I just want to cry and give up. But today I feel like it's all worth it. It's all worth it today, so I have no regrets. No regrets in those late night hours. Yeah.
It's time to go. See other people going. Well, don't you have to get there and start lining up and
Yeah, we can just take some pictures.
see a lot of people walking in. Well, you're early today, early for your graduation. That's good.
I don't know how this, I think I need to take this one in my hand because they're gonna pin us on stage. But what else do I wear? I don't know. Oh, you closed the car already?
Yeah. I could open it now.
Oh, I could wear it like that.
You want to get in there for something?
Yeah, I just want to put my papers in there. So I think I wear it like that.
It's probably have to do it not in the sun because
It's not,
it's very hot out
the
here.
lighting is not, oh, okay. It's hot, but it's fine. Just make sure the lighting is good for the people watching.
Yeah, we have a lot of natural sunlight.
There
It's
are
like-
friends
it's,
watching.
it's 12 p.m.
Huh?
It's 12 noon.
It's 12?
Yes, 12 noon. Oh, don't you have to zip the going up?
Yeah, I feel like you're far away.
Why didn't you just wear anything underneath? Because nobody can't see you under the gown.
Yeah, I wore anything. That's my
You
anything.
could wear like a battery rider underneath.
Yeah. Pick it up in there, but right. I'm just kidding.
Alright, what else?
What else? That they're gonna pin on me. I think that's it.
Okay.
I need to check though if my
Let me see your face. Okay.
it looks okay, fix okay?
You look okay. Are you taking that bag? You can't leave a Valentino on top of the car.
Oh
Someone
yeah,
will take
I'm
it.
gonna leave my bag up there.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it to Michaela. So maybe I could just
You're using this personal car as a mirror?
actually the mirror
Oh, look, your shoe, your thing match your gown.
yeah,
Oh,
see?
your nails match your gown. Wow.
Yep. Speaking of nails, look. Isn't
Oh,
it just
one
the
ripped off.
worst thing when you break your nails
Okay.
before you're big?
You gotta hide that one.
But I just showed it already.
I could cut it out. I'll cut it out.
No, it's fine. It happens all the time. I'm sure there's someone who broke their nail or their gel manicure came off before their function. I'll hide it when I'm inside.
Okay. Your phone is on top of the car.
All right.
Your
Oh my
bag is on top of the
God.
car. Let me see.
I'm so excited. Oh my God. I can't believe.
My tie in the car. See, I'm not wearing the tie. It's too hot.
We have to take the, you have to wear the tie for the
No.
picture later.
It's too hot. No.
Alright. So I was told I need to put this over my hand.
And
I don't know
And
how
they will pin it when you
they're
go in?
gonna pin us on stage, but I need to, when I go in, I'll ask them exactly, because I don't really know exactly how it works. But that's
Okay.
what I was told. So am I ready? Am I ready? She ready? Ah.
Alright, let's go. Put your trash back in the car so we dump it later.
You're saying not to litter, like Satai?
Yeah.
Should I wear these slippers or the...
You have another shoes in the car?
I have the flatter ones.
Let me see.
They look exactly the same, but they're flatter.
No, I like to see when you're high. No, I like to see you tall. No.
All right.
I like to see when you're 6'5".
No, I'm not. Okay.
How many inches is that?
This?
3 inches?
This is about 3, and I'm 5'10", so that means I'm 6'1".
Yeah,
you
fine.
see?
That's fine. Yeah, 6'1".
Satai and Michaela, where did they go and left the bag?
That's fine.
All right.
All right, good.
Ready? See you guys inside.
Listen, when you finish graduating, I want you to register right away.
For what?
For another set of degrees.
How about this? You do the next set of degrees.
I'm degreed out already.
Well, you need to restart because I'm done.
I'm degreed out already. You should go with more degree.
I'm done. That's what it is now.
So I'm gonna run into the wall. I'm degreed out already. You could do another set of degrees.
No.
What's wrong with that?
That's it.
Huh? What's wrong with you getting another set of degrees? Michaela.
Where's the... Oh.
See, level 1? You just follow the crowd when you get here.
No, I know where.
Oh, but you're a graduate, you go to a different place.
Right here, I'll tell you. They told us yesterday.
Oh, you go here?
Well, I asked yesterday, yeah.
Okay.
Where's Michaela?
Looking at her phone.
What's the time?
It's very cool and nice.
So let me go find out if there's anything.
Exploration all?
Yeah, I'm gonna find out if there's anything I need to do.
Okay.
And then you can cut down for a little bit.
Okay. Oh, that's over there. So this is just the info section.
Yeah, no, you guys are going on one side and we're going on the other side. Let me find out if we need to like... I guess you can go take stuff.
Let's see. Oh, you have to check in over here?
It's not.
Let me see.
I think.
Alright, bye. See you later. Oh. Mommy's gonna be up soon.
Dr. Stacey Ann Smith.
Sit down.
Dr. Jasmine Shale Williams.
She's gonna walk down here.
Dr. Crystal Cash Shaw. Dr. Rosamund Owen.
She went over there to the other side. Do what? Okay, let's do that then. Well, alright, let's go. Sit tight. I told you to go south tomorrow.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. I love it. All right.
How you feel?
Oh my God. It's a little bit overwhelming, but I'm excited. I'm happy. Yeah. It's cool. It's
Feel
cool.
different?
No.
Are you getting into the details though of
Let
my
me see the
gift?
details.
Just feel accomplished.
Please get in the details of my gift.
Feeling accomplished, but it's a little
And
grand.
by the way, this is a note. This is a note, and it looked like a diploma. We get it because like I hold in the diploma. It's a details.
It's a note you wrote?
It's a note. No. Oh, I made it. We're all the yelling and stuff. Then you go. Oh no, go back out. Oh my God.
Come on, let's get the picture over there.
Picture time. They're breaking down the place for them now. It's not on that side. Where you want to take it on this side? Huh? You don't say alumni? Okay.
We can take one picture there.
Or a boba tea, matcha latte or something. I need some energy.
I need some energy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're still in Chicago and we're in a parking lot downtown Chicago. We have the newly minted Dr. Stacy and over there. Said hi. And Michaela is there.
Oh, why you say it like that?
Well, you never want to be on camera, but
Okay, that's why it's even more nice to see me now.
oh, it's nice to see you now. Okay, all right, it's nice to see you now. Ramses over there, like, just take a nap. It's so dark under here. But look what we have. We have a stroller. We don't have to lift Ramses anymore. We work with a stroller this time. Stroller for Ramses. So we're gonna walk around downtown.
Which way?
Go to the park. You could. The stairway is there. Yeah, we'll take the stairs there.
Michaela, you're serious, right?
And these cars are just parked here for a long time. Elevator this way. Station. It's the elevator right here. This way. They may be coming from upstairs. Elevator.
Okay, mommy.
Look, Stacey, you could long term park here. This car are dusty.
When did you see where boba tea is?
Oh,
I want some
Ramses
boba
eating.
Trust me, you're into the
What is wrong with one and boba tea?
Nothing is wrong with the one.
It's matcha latte. Boba tea.
You can have your boba tea. I'm just saying.
It's a matcha boba and it's like matcha latte. And I want to.
So we're here and we see someone searching the bag. We don't know why, but we're gonna check. See what's going on. Sensation up front.
It's Dr.
Huh?
Dr. Stacy and to you.
Oh, okay, great.
The beach open 23rd?
Yes.
At 7:30. How do you, is there like any
ticket.
other section to do except for the concert? Is there anything else to do in there?
You can go towards the Crown Fountain where they have like the water that's coming out of the mouth.
Okay.
They also have Maggie Daily on this side, which is part for like kids, things of that nature.
Oh, where's the thing?
The bean.
The bean, yeah, the
You'll
bean.
have to enter on Michigan.
I have to enter from, so I have to go back into the, we get out from the garage. I have to get back in and
I think maybe we
Go to
can
the other
go.
side?
You can exit, when you enter through here, you can exit towards like Upper Delta.
So can I walk all the way? Can we walk here and go and get to it from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Alright, so let's do that. We'll
So we-
probably, so you can enter for the concert before, just as long as you're here before 7:30, right?
No, you can enter through the
Oh, we could enter it now.
Yeah.
Right, but I'm saying if we wanted to come back to the concert after.
Is this
Go
the
to
only
the
entrance?
kiddies- go to the
This the only
kiddies
entrance
part.
for the concert?
No,
Yeah.
sir. So there's another one down Randolph. It's called Checkpoint B. This is Checkpoint A. You can also.
Okay. Okay, so if I want to get to the bean, I can get to it from here?
Yes, sir. So you will go around the lawn,
Uh-huh.
and then by Laurie Garden, there's an exit that you guys can go out, and the bean is right there.
But I can't do it from here. We can walk.
Yes,
we can walk here too.
yes.
Oh, so let's do it from here
Alright,
then.
so let's go.
Oh,
and
thank you
then
so
we
much.
come back,
So
and then the concert is on this lawn right here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll do that.
Alright, just show him your bag. Oh, I'm the only one with the bag. Sorry, I just have a bunch of snacks for the kids.
Fine, cool.
All right, thank you so much.
Open all bags. Take everything out of your pocket. Yourself when you're walking. Also your keys, please.
They're gonna
Open
want
all
it.
bags.
They're gonna want you. They're gonna want you.
Huh?
Oh, look at my camera. Look at the back of the
Yeah, the concert. Oh, but we're not. Everybody bring their shoes. We're not like that kind of prepared.
No.
We have to show it again?
I don't know. See the picture already. We have to one again.
Let's try that, please.
It's a beautiful day. Huh?
Nothing is it to be.
Okay, yeah, okay. That's for you.
Nothing is there to.
Oh, look what a beautiful day. Free concert. Cecilia, look what you get for a graduation present.
Free Beethoven concert.
Free Beethoven concert. Jade Prisker.
We're the only ones who don't have our chairs and
yeah, no.
I know our blankets.
Oh,
and
look.
whatever.
Oh, people are like here early for that thing.
Yeah.
So they have a free concert in the park,
right?
and people are lining up like early, getting their seats.
It's at 7:30.
The concert was 7:30. What time is it now?
So where did you want us to go? We can go there first.
Right there, right over there, on that side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where's Biba?
On her phone.
She stayed in man. I think.
Look, they're setting up for the concert over here, and people are lining up.
Look, you can get.
Yeah, you could go close.
Early,
Yeah,
we
you
can
could
sit
go
in
close.
chairs.
Yeah.
Because since we don't have our own blankets.
Stacey, I don't think I want to see a Beethoven concert.
What?
I want to see Chicago.
You're
I want to see no Beethoven. I want to see no Beethoven.
You're not so
concert.
classical.
I'm kind of.
Come.
I'm like a dirty wine kind of guy.
No, not to wine or Beethoven. I want to leave this time we go to
Beethoven
Dirty
concert.
Wine.
I want
Dirty
like
wine,
dirty
my
wine,
girl,
dirty
dirty
wine.
wine.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Like people are picnicking.
All right, which side?
Let's go. Like we want to go see that right over there. Over there, look.
Push the stroller through this.
We're gonna go see over there. Look at Ramses all upset.
Ramses is not upset. Ramses is just sleepy.
He's like, oh.
The one thing I know, Ramses is appreciating the fact that we're taking the
Oh,
stroller.
he say want juice.
Juice?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why can't his foot get on that stroller thing? See,
All right, let me pull over and give Ramses some.
people are enjoying the park. Oh, making a picnic out of it. We are just strolling through like a tourist. Satai, why are you drinking my water? Huh? Why is Satai drinking my water? You told him you could have had it, right?
Me? Everything that I does is on me.
Yeah, but
No, you can't have any of this because when you were drinking yours, Ramses.
they arguing over my orange juice.
No, this is my orange juice.
Oh look, he's running like look, Ramses, say here. Ram's not the only one that run, look. He's running and she can't catch him.
Yes, that's Ramses, yep.
Look how far they are. Look.
No, Michaela.
Why you guys fighting over my orange juice?
It's my orange juice. Everybody had their juice.
I put someone into this, especially multiple people, you have to realize that now
That's why I buy
you have
from
to
multiple
share.
Let's put some Arizona.
No.
But look, you guys didn't bring any blanket and stuff.
I know, we're not
Yeah,
prepared.
you're not prepared.
We're not as touristy and classical.
Yeah, exactly. Huh? You should have like prepared. Look, everybody prepare. You know? This is beautiful though.
I need some energy. Like,
It's our first time in Illinois, by the way. It's our first time in the state at all. And it's beautiful. Like, I know New York have Central Park and stuff like that, but this is very nice. Alright, so let's go. The concert is an hour away. So let's go to the Bean, go do some stuff. Go get like a deep crust pizza. What? Deep crust pizza. They're famous for deep crust pizza here, so you have to get it.
Okay.
And by the way, this is a free concert, by the way. So all you have to do is they check your bag for you to get in.
Let security check your bag.
They just check your bag and they scan you and you can get in. This is beautiful. And look, this is all light to light up the theater. What happens at times?
Look at that. Look at that.
Look
Like
at what?
that's you and Ramses.
Oh, they're playing football?
No.
Oh, the boy running and the dad is chasing after her?
Yeah, that's you and Ramses.
That's me and Ram. Yeah, ready. Let's go.
I'm talking to Ramses, not you, baby.
I want a boba.
Want a what?
I think
A
I have,
boba, a
like,
matcha
all these
boba.
kids are
I don't know what
spoiled.
that is, Michaela.
I don't think I can push the stroller well through this. Are we going all the way across?
Yes.
Let's take the...
Okay. Why can't I go through and you take the pathway? You pushing it?
Because you have to go everywhere I go.
Oh my God.
Whatcha?
Put it in the back.
Well, Mommy, he is the boss.
Ramses.
Boss.
Look at Ramses smiling.
No, that is not the boss.
You want nuggets?
Boss of his damn self.
Oh,
Did you love it?
you said thank you, mommy. Yay.
You're welcome, baby. Everybody else ate.
Eva, you want to rest?
Everybody else ate
celebrating.
except Ramses.
Yeah, but you were sleeping.
And then when Ramses want to eat, drink his juice, Michaela wants it. It's like, no, Michaela.
You don't want to.
Satai, go play ball with these guys. Yeah.
This is nice though. Why they have concerts all the time?
Yeah, it's very nice.
What is it? Millennium Park?
Millennium Park, yeah. It's very nice. The lawn is well manicured. I must say.
Come back and check out the concert.
I know, it's very nice.
Wow.
Santa, look at that. That's you and Ramses.
That's me and Ramses?
Yeah, you carry Ramses like that.
Yes, I have to carry him.
That's you and Ramses.
Yeah.
So wait,
Chicago. Nice building. Prudential building. Overlooking the park. Some apartment building. This is a more busy entrance. Yeah. Well, we could exit anywhere here. You could exit anywhere here.
by the time we get out and come back, it's gonna be
Oh, I don't think it's gonna be that full where we can't come back here.
Not unless.
Look, we could exit right here. We could exit at any one of these. This is the concert schedule. Song of Freedom.
That's 27.
I'm not gonna be
The
able to
27th.
stay.
Why?
Come
Huh?
Because I don't have my glasses on if we only get like a back space.
So then you could weed your way all the way up there, Stacey Ann. What's the problem? You wanna go? Let's go out here.
Alright.
Ask her if you can get out here. Unless that's where we wanna go. Ask her if you can get out.
Where we wanna go?
Over there. Like when you have the baby, you should ask, because with people with baby, they give like some professional treatment.
No kidding.
You just go and say, oh, the baby.
I actually almost turned back just now.
Just say the baby want to pay. Look, oh, seems like she's moving to the gate. You don't let us out. Oh, wow. See that? Yes, you gotta look at the way they just move it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, let's go this way. You wanna do this way? This way over here?
You okay, Rams?
I'm just eating chicken nuggets.
Guys, have you been to Millennium Park in Chicago?
Oh, you was gonna do it. You was gonna do the Michaela thing.
Michaela, Satai College is like that too.
You see how much busier it is today.
Oh, that shit look like mine.
Yeah, it's like packed.
Wow.
Oh, you're gonna get Ramses up? Oh, it's the ramp over there. Let's go to the ramp. So guys, look at the crowd. Everyone taking pictures at the P. Ramses. Chicken nuggets. Oh, you gotta look for myself. I'm looking for myself. Yeah, I'm gonna look for myself. Yes. I have to look for myself. Okay, alright, good.
Camera.
No much of over. I'm not really getting much of over. Michaela, I'm trying to find myself. Look. Oh, look, I'm right there. Look. You see? Look at the back. You don't see? Look. Stacey, look. The red hat, look. Look. Oh my god, you're blind. Come. You know what? It's a good thing you didn't wear that dress. Somebody's in the rom-com thing that you wanted to wear. Look to the right. Oh, look to the right. Look to the right.
Oh, what you said?
Yeah, but it's the same. But it's the same thing. All right, look now. You see?
I see you now.
Okay,
Now I
see
see
me
what you
there? Okay. See me right there? Okay, Makila, go. You could go, Makila. What's 7 minutes away?
So we are still in Chicago.
A seagull was literally over here.
You saw a seagull? So we're in the Millennium Park in Chicago, and this is called the Reflecting P. Can you guys see it? It's just like a big old mirror. You can see your reflection in it. Let's see. You guys look and see if you can see me in there from this way. Let's look if we can see Satai. Can we see Satai in the Reflecting P?
You can see Ramses running away.
We can see Ramses running away over there. So yeah, it's just like a big dome. It almost looks like my Bottega, silver Bottega earrings. Big old silver looking dome. Everyone can see their reflection. Sorry. So tired. Look where you're going. You guys see, look. Like a big dome. So Ty, come with me. Oh, look, there's a little underspace. Can walk underneath. There it is, from this angle, you can walk underneath. Going under. Almost touch the top because I'm so tall, so I can touch the top here. I don't know where Oral and Ramses went. So we're on the other side, but it's basically the same exact thing on the other side. Sorry. Big giant reflection. Let's see how it looks from afar. See? And that's Biba, Michaela on her phone.
I'm searching for boba, I think.
Satai, what are you doing?
I'm fixing.
Where did Nana and Ramses go? Ramses having so much fun. Just running around. It looks like a big watermelon from here. Stand in front of the big watermelon, Earl.
Let's go down to the pier, or down to the water.
It does not look like a silver watermelon from here. Hello, Ramses.
Go get the boba. Camera, can you tell them let me go get the boba? It's right there.
7 minutes away.
It's 7 minutes away. Just let me go.
You're not starving. Oh. Sorry. Satai, get on.
So they have like restaurants and stuff down here.
Oh yeah.
Outdoor restaurants. And bar.
Entertainment.
Very nice in Chicago. I must come to Chicago more often.
Oh, yeah, I hear that.
Very nice.
I hear that. Someone wants to come back.
This is not shy rock at all. So this is the other end of Millennium Park. A lot of people taking pictures. You could exit this way. So we're gonna exit this way and walk down this strip to see what's doing over there. A lot of people hanging out on a Saturday. Today's Saturday, right? Saturday afternoon. The Ramses don't want to walk unless I lift them, or we're gonna run around. So no, I'm stuck with it. Lifting this boy, even though we have a stroller. I don't know what's the point of having a stroller when I have to lift him. Where's the tie? Where's Makela? Oh, okay. I'm just going the stroller. So we just walking down the adjacent to the park. Rams is in the stroller finally.
Enjoying the tune.
I bribed him with juice. Seta and Makela back there.
Starbucks over there. Don't let Michaela see.
Oh, then she's gonna want to go.
Then
Oh,
she's
let's go to
gonna go
Starbucks.
get the matcha latte now.
Yeah. Oh, we can do a scooter. Look at that. Oh, what do we do with Ramses?
Logan was here.
Yeah.
Logan would be
It's a busy Saturday. Busy Saturday evening. Traffic is going. Big guy, small dog.
Yeah, man.
Oh, look at these guys. Religious ceremony. All right. Wow. Preaching time. You go to church, Stacey? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
Oh, look, such I would want that. Ice cream.
I believe.
Oh, I guess there's another entrance right here. So when we come back, if we'll get to this entrance.
Yeah, but we want to go to the fall area.
But I noticed everyone's. It says security. Doesn't say police. So these are just like regular security guards.
You said time Michaela close by check.
Yeah, I see them back there. So you know the bead, if you say no, like you don't know what the price of that bead is, and he will say, oh, a prayer bead, oh, give me whatever money. When you put it on your hand, it's like $100. Oh, it's like $100. Yeah. Kids are doing cartwheel on the park. Oh, okay. See, you can't be dirty here. You could go take a shower in that thing. No, you can't take a shower in it?
Yeah, you can take a shower in it.
Yeah, you can.
Why not?
Oh.
But we used to bathe outside in Rock Fallen in Jamaica.
Yeah, speak for yourself. I bathe indoors all the time.
You never been at Rock Fallen? If you come from St. Thomas, Jamaica, and you never been at Rock Fallen, feel bad for you.
Stacey, and I never bathe outside.
I feel bad for you, man.
Even when I go to the beach, I bathe inside.
Oh, you get in there.
Oh, you walk where we walked before and then come back. Well, when we're coming back, we'll go over there.
Where are we going?
LeBron James. Got the rickshaw guy here. Music blaring. So we are on Michigan Avenue, and it's very busy. Look at Stacey and them in the back. They are moving too slow. Ramses is worked out. He's like, oh, I need my water.
These are a lot taller.
Oh yeah.
Oral.
Huh? What is that?
I saw it and she didn't see it.
Oh,
That's crazy.
so Makela want this
I saw it and she
bubblicious,
didn't
whatever,
even see it.
bubblicious milk tea and
Bubble
fruit.
tea.
So now she's gonna
I
buy.
saw it, but she didn't see it. And she's
And,
the one
and this is the
looking.
one that you saw when she was
Initially.
looking. Exactly. Exactly. This is the one that you were gonna come to when we said no until we were ready to walk.
I'm the one who told her.
Yeah, but I'm saying you were.
You're welcome.
I wish I
Makela,
were
you
like,
think
don't show her.
you think this is gonna close and
That's what I'm
regular
saying.
day?
Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, for,
What do you normally get?
I get the matcha green latte.
Mine's is a four.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Which one of this you don't want to get?
I'm getting matcha.
I'll take some of what you do.
I'm getting a matcha green latte.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Diva. You're welcome.
So I'll take some first.
You're welcome.
Okay,
You're welcome.
Don't drink none then?
I will drink anything. You ordering something as well?
Okay.
What you gonna order?
A strawberry jasmine.
What?
A strawberry jasmine.
Okay. Let me kill her. Go order, please.
I think he said milk tea. It's like the classic one.
Oh, she's ready. Go on. Michaela, she's ready.
Boba with what's the one with the sugar again? I forgot.
We could do extra sweet or half sugar or regular.
Extra sweet. Oh, and no ice, but I still want it too.
What's the kind? What you getting?
Do you know yet?
He wants the strawberry. He said he wants the
Oh, you want
strawberry.
strawberry matcha tea latte?
Strawberry matcha or the strawberry jasmine?
Or strawberry jasmine?
Alright, she's at the thing, so you gotta know
I
what
want
you
the strawberry jasmine.
Maybe you can try the strawberry
I don't
matcha.
No,
I don't know if you'll like it. I never had it.
Alright, so order the strawberry jasmine. Go ahead. May I have a strawberry jasmine and milk, please? Go ahead.
Do you want to open it? Do you want to open the strawberry jasmine?
Yeah.
Do you want to
Tell Oral what you got.
So they're gonna taste
I want ice.
their
That's high.
boba tea.
I don't want boba tea.
That's high. Got a strawberry jasmine.
Satai got a
Let me taste it for
strawberry
you.
jasmine.
You taste it first.
No,
It's yours. You taste it.
So you want it, but you don't want to taste it.
It tastes good.
Tastes like strawberry tea, but it would need more ice for me.
Alright, Satai, taste it and let me know.
It tastes good.
Good?
I honestly don't see the cream.
Oh, you don't want it. See his face is Stacey and you drink it. You don't want it, I'm telling you. And then Makela drinking some green stuff.
It's matcha.
Okay, that's matcha. Alright, let's go. Let's roll. You could have asked for ice when it was right there.
I see them with a single amount.
Okay, well, if it does have enough. Okay, that's it.
Tastes like strawberry tea.
What do you want to do? Sit tight. You don't want it.
All I'm getting is boba.
I just want to try.
So throw it to the garbage then if you don't want it. I can't try it because you have regular milk in it.
Where's my boba?
Don't give it to Satai, he's throwing it out.
Let Oral try yours.
Let me see.
I don't waste my
What is this, Makela?
It's a matcha green tea boba.
I'm trying Makela's. Matcha green tea boba. So let's see.
I need ice though.
What's your boba?
Starch. I asked her already. She said
Vegan.
Oh, it's fresh.
I like the boba. I like
the
eating the
boba
boba. I just eat the boba.
It tastes like
You think they could give me ice?
it tastes like a gum, like guar gum or like gum. It tastes like a gum thing.
I don't
Yeah.
know, but I just like eating it.
This is not bad. I would drink this, but I need ice.
Oh, a motor gum.
I like the boba and the ice, but like the drink, like look!
You took a whole bunch of boba.
By itself, it tastes like nothing.
I like to chew it. It makes it full too.
It just tastes like very rubbery. Just like a gum, like a gum candy without any taste, without any sugar or anything like that. But then the sweet comes from the. You take it extra sweet? You took it extra sweet?
Yeah.
It's not sweet. Even extra sweet is not sweet.
I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad. Rams, does it want to try? Try.
Oh wait, is he allergic to nuts?
No.
Okay.
Try. Nope. Nope, you don't want to try. Nope.
Green stuff scare people.
Rams don't like to try.
People don't like to be healthy. They see green and don't want
Yeah,
to.
super sour. The line is long for Nutella. It's a long line. I must say, Chicago, I kind of dig it down here. We like it down here. You see a lot of nice stuff to do in Chicago. Oh, stuff for the two. Stacey, and you see the line for Nutella? Everything is long line. I think I could live in Chicago. What do you think?
Huh?
You could live in Chicago. No? No?
No, we can live in Chicago. It's
Okay.
awesome.
Oh, Satai say yes.
I'm not a big fan. I wouldn't waste $6 buying this tea.
You only waste $6 for the tea?
I wouldn't waste.
You don't pay
Pay
$6.25?
$16. Pay $16 for both. I wouldn't waste money buying this.
Okay. So Stacey, an assessment of boba tea is not good. Michaela swear by it.
Yeah, maybe it's just
Satai spit it out.
maybe it's just the flavor though.
And I'm agnostic to it.
It's disgusting.
Satai says disgusting.
I think it's because it's the flavor.
I'm
It's
agnostic to
jasmine.
it. It's not. I couldn't care less. I wouldn't have to drink it again. If I don't drink it again, I wouldn't miss it. And remember, you have to drink. Remember, you have to drink this as well.
I'm not drinking that. I'm drinking a little bit more of this than I'm throwing.
Oh look, someone's close here. This is another person that tried boba tea for the first time, and they left it.
Well, they either love it or you don't.
Yeah, obviously they don't love it. They chew it out.
Dada, where are we going? Dada, where are we going?
I'm going to drop you off.
Where?
I'm going to drop you someplace.
Drop you where?
Someplace that they're gonna make you behave. Like you have to listen. So this is the Chicago Riverwalk boat ride. Cruise or not cruise? Oh, well, that's
Why not?
It's a truck down there near Michigan Avenue. And the square. Wanna go over here? Riverwalk. Party boat over here. Party.
Are we going on?
Yeah, we're going down.
Are we going on when you answer my question?
We could ask. We could go buy tickets. You wanna go check it out?
I want to go on one.
Let's go do it. Let's go.
Oh yeah, let me go with one.
Look at the father being a father. I don't want me on my own camera. Hello. So, matcha's matcha. There are haters on matcha, but it's okay. It's okay.
We have a spider. There's a spider. There was a spider over there.
Look at that. We should keep hands. We should have said it earlier. Keep hands.
lots of activity on the water. Boat going down on the river. Station is inquiring.
People watch me bottle flip. Watch me bottle.
But there's no water in it, Satai. So it doesn't make any sense. What do you want to do?
So there's nothing available now. There's a 9:30 slow cruise. We have to come back at 9. It's an hour and a half ride. So it takes you to and fro, and like $42 for adults and like $19 for the kids.
Okay.
But we have to wait 9:30. The others are like occupied full.
Everything is full now?
Oh, Viva, you almost made the cat.
So all we can do is walk around?
Yeah. We have to come back at 9:30 if we want to go there.
We should have reserved the ticket yesterday. You know? We should have reserved from yesterday when we were...
Yeah, but we didn't know. Well, I didn't know.
People are doing their cruise. I think this is the terminal. I think this is where they start from. And these are waiting to go. People having drinks.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a restaurant, yeah.
What?
Nice
Look inside.
Like nice dining in there.
Look inside the ship. Mommy, look
9:30.
inside the ship.
Let's go to down to the bottom. Yeah, I know. For the concert, we could start at 7:30, and we could come back for 9:30. Oh, it could be station. It could be drinking right now. Yeah. See, liquor rolling on the cruise. You know. Michael, you want to go kayaking?
Let's give Ramsey some alcohol juice.
Oh, departure time. Just about now. This is very clean down here. I like it. But look at the same waterway. The canoe, the kayak, and it's in the same. Everything happened in the same section. But you know you're on your own when you're there. There's no lifeguard. There's nobody guiding you, right?
Oh.
No, but I'm just saying.
They give you a life vest?
Yeah, but you gotta navigate with the boats and everything.
No, I wouldn't want to go there by myself.
But look, right? So you have to know. So you see someone like that person is guiding them there.
She's,
No, for the jet ski. So everything is on the waterway, right?
I would do that too. I just wouldn't go there without a guide.
But you know we're not dressed for that. Oh, that one is covered. That one is nice. Oh, this is a river. That one.
They're having dinner in the ferry.
That one is a bigger. That one is more patched up, air conditioned.
You could go do that.
Yeah, that one is much nicer. Oh, this one is leaving now. Oh yeah, it's not expensive. We could do it. But does it come with dinner?
No, this one has a couple of years.
Okay. This one is just the mass. This one is just the mass one with everybody on it, and they just do like they give it like a history lesson and so on and so forth.
That bridge right in front of you, in front of the boat, that is the Michigan Avenue Bridge. Otherwise,
I don't know if I want Makela to go on the kayak here because everything is sailing down. And yeah, everything is sailing down the same region. So Makela, you see, you'd have to wait for them to.
I'm getting mine.
You see, she'd have to wait for the boat to pass before she.
Yes, you have to know it's an navigation.
Exactly.
I
Exactly.
wouldn't want to go there without any
Exactly.
guide. See? I'm not going to go there without a guide. I would go on that, seriously, but
But you see, you have to know when to move
not
aside for
without
the
a
boats.
guide. I would go without a guide.
She's in this thing, the urban kayak.
Go without a guide?
Okay.
Oh, Mommy, look at that.
Step shelter.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the water there's always boxing, right? So it's always they play Bob Marley over there. Oh. Okay, alright, yeah. Grab Ramses there. It's a bar. It's a bar.
What you doing?
Hey, my first time here. Do you have like wine and stuff here?
Yeah, I got wine.
Oh, yeah, Chardonnay?
No, I got like a white blend.
Okay, I'll take 2 glasses of wine, yeah.
Lemonade.
You have lemonade? You have lemonade as well?
No.
Okay, I'll just take 2 glasses.
Okay. 1788.
What did you get me, darling?
So this is like
Over there, we can play something. We can play a game over
this
there.
is like a white blend. They say it's a white blend. There's no
Mommy, we can
Chardonnay
play.
here.
Biba, we can play
So-
packs over there. See?
It's like a white blend.
Yeah.
And
Backpack.
what is a wine in a
Backpack wine, snappy white.
well, they have all liquor there and stuff like that. So it's snappy white.
Okay, I've
wine.
never tried this, so.
We never tried this before. So we're in Chicago, as you know, and we're on the waterfront. All the cruises are gone. They're,
Say thank you.
I think the next one is 9:30.
Say that, Rob. I'm gonna keep it. Ramsey's keep it going.
Ramsey's 20 story
It's
around.
short in a different section for different people to take them. Tata wants to play. You wanna play with
You could leave it. You could leave it. No, I'm gonna say you could leave Tatai.
Ramses, you're throwing it. I can't.
So we're gonna have a backpack wine and
Snappy white wine.
snappy white wine.
Cheers. Michaela had her tea already.
Michaela can only look because she's not at the age to drink as yet.
Cheers into it.
Cheers to you being a doctor. Oh, it's not bad.
This is my celebration. This is my celebration wine.
We had a lot of celebration already.
Oh, that's true.
Plus we leave in the next 2 weeks. Next week? Is next week? Is the other week? The other week.
Next week.
We leave in the other week.
No, it's the other week. Oh, this is not bad. You still leave it. You left the tag on Ramses' clothes.
No, I ripped it off.
Oh.
So we have a lot of friends here. What do you want, Ramses? What do you want? He's trying to take the water.
I heard a little birdie say that if I give Ramses this wine, he would probably drink it. What? I'm gonna give you
What you doing? You play?
What is that playing?
I guess she told the kid over there playing, so he does hang out over there too. So that he could get into it.
That was him. He almost said that was him. Oh, where's there? They brushing dust on me, but you know, I love your old environment. So oh, yeah. I just noticed like I think Mama got it. Look at him being a silly as teamwork, make the dream work. Teamwork, make the dream work. may need me a GoPro. Because, yeah, I could get used to this. Because honestly, I'd be talking anyways. Might as well talk and do something with it, right? And not gonna lie, my phone is dead, so killing time. And they're not giving me the hotspot so I can use my iPad, so we're just in the moment.
No. Again.
I don't know if y'all know the meme.
He wants to throw this way. Alright, it's Satai and Oral's time to play cornhole. Harder, Satai. Not too high. Good job. One of the crews just coming in. Look, they're flying a party boat. Party cruise, wow. Let me see it. Another party boat passing by. How's your ice cream? Is it good?
It is the best!
You are so... This is what the Riverwalk looks like at night. The lights are so beautiful.
I think this vlog is gonna include our Chicago trip, our like 3 days or whatever we spent in Chicago. So we may put Stacy and Ceremony in it, and the Riverwalk down here. Right? What do you think? Well, we don't know. We'll see. We'll see what the footage is, but maybe something like that.
How beautiful the lights are now that it's, you know, now that it's nighttime and we're still here. You want a boat again? Good job.
First on the boat is party.
It's party boat. Can you guys see it?
I know it's party in a little boat, but still party. Like,
Like, we can just like...
We're getting a boat, y'all.
Yeah. So like, we can just like...
Just decided.
Yeah.
You're getting a boat, Michaela. Not we are getting a boat.
I'm going with
Getting a
Bebo.
boat then.
I'm going with Bebo.
Okay.
I'm going with Bebo. Me and Bebo are getting a boat.
Okay, I hear you.
Yeah, like we can just like...
We're getting a boat, y'all.
Yeah. So like, we can just like...
Just decided.
Yeah.
You're getting a boat, Michaela. Not we are getting a boat.
I'm going with
Getting a
Bebo.
boat then.
I'm going with Bebo. I'm
Okay.
going with Bebo. Me and Bebo are getting a boat.
Okay, I hear you.
Yeah, like we can just like...
We're getting a boat, y'all.
Yeah. So like, we can just like...
Just decided.
Yeah.
You're getting a boat, Michaela. Not we are getting a boat.
I'm going with
Getting a
Bebo.
boat then.
I'm going with Bebo. I'm
Okay.
going with Bebo. Me and Bebo are getting a boat.
Okay, I hear you.
for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit on your
That's
trip.
enough videos.